Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. If you spend any time on YouTube, you're probably seeing videos, channels, advertisements talking about YouTube quote-unquote secrets. But I'm just here to tell you that there really aren't any secrets. And as a matter of fact, you could pretty much get all of this information for free on YouTube or on the internet. And so with all of that being said, why would you even consider purchasing a YouTube training or content creator type program on the internet from an internet guru, or even sign up for a free content creator series from a random geek on the beach? Well, let me tell you why. Whenever you are learning all of this stuff on the internet, which pretty much you can learn almost anything for free, you're primarily learning a lot of the techniques that it takes to actually do some of these things. Like, for example, if you wanted to learn how to do SEO, digital marketing, and so forth, you could learn all of that through the internet for free. But the reason why you definitely might want to consider paying for a course or signing up for a course, what you really are paying for here, or the time that you're spending, is not really the techniques, okay? What you're doing is you're paying for that person. You're spending time for that person and their experiences. So that's really what separates all of these different offers that you see. And so I really feel like it is the person first that is giving you this information that's more important than the actual information itself. Because as I just stated earlier, most, if not all, this information, you could get this for free. Okay, but having that person share their experiences, a lot of the things that it's really hard to explain, and maybe that person is more in line to who you are. You know, like for example, my own Go Content Creator series, I primarily focus on geeks, you know, and so a lot of my own perspective, my own experiences is from a very geeky perspective as a content creator. And so that's why I really feel the whole notion of secrets, and just to let you know, that word secrets is a really powerful term in marketing. It is really not a secret. And the only thing that you're going to have to uncover is to find whoever it is that actually works best for you and that you can learn from and actually get the most out of it. And so those are my thoughts on that. So if you have any thoughts on this, whether you have taken your own secrets courses or you've discovered something that nobody else has ever done before, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com. And I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.